Welcome back. Today we will work on this G-WAGON. Let's do the cold start. Let's take it to the workshop. And I am still telling. Right now I am just doing an experiment on the G-WAGON. So, we will try several things, then make it short. Then we will finalize two options. Today we will drive a little bit crazy. If you ask why, then I will say I don't know. Just men and wow. No worries, we are going to the workshop. The final touch-up. What I am waiting for. But no need to worry. They cannot catch us. So just chill. Finally, we reached. So here is our Tiffany Edition G-WAGON. What you say, you like it or not? As I said, I am testing different things. So I customize like this. Otherwise, my plan is to keep the G-WAGON intact. Like one will be like this, or Brabus Edition. Another one will be let's see. We will try many more things. But we will not hurry. Because we want the best results. In both of the G-WAGON. Now we will compare both of them. Side by side. In both of them, we will like the more dot, we will keep it. And the other, we will again do something different. Let's park it side by side. Now we will compare. I think both have different taste. So it makes me confused. You recommend which one should I keep?